Hi, everyone. It's day 129 of the Feathered Quest, and our bird today is the American crow. These sharp observers don't take strangers lightly. Studies show American crows flee more quickly when a human looks directly at them, indicating that they're tuned into gaze cues and adapt their behavior accordingly. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved and the world is full of wonder. So, do we find our bird of the day?